cuties and they still got a lot of growing to do.
Yeah.
How big are we gonna
I think we got some new YouTube stars.
We're gonna give them their own YouTube channel.
Right?
Going to check on the barn, show you guys some of our progress that we made while we've been here, helping them clean up and organize and get ready for volunteers and just kind of helping out when we can. Let's take a look inside the barn.
So cool. You get the idea.
Break it, you buy it. Down here is where all the animals are at. Up here is kind of storage waiting to be transformed area. So let's check it out.
It's animal loving now.
Yay!
Yeah.
The afternoon break of animal love.
Yeah. Best water ever.
Yeah. She's talking so much. You're talking so much. Come on, June. Come on, girl. Get in there, Jasper. Flop and drop, baby. While in Chelsea, Michigan, visiting our friends Dan and Kelly with their new nonprofit Barn Sanctuary, we assisted with 2 animal rescues, a chicken named Tracy and a steer named Charles. On the way to get Charles, we went through Flint, Michigan. Yes, the town that made headlines about lead in their drinking water supply. We really owe so much more to the topic of Flint, Michigan's water crisis. We could make a whole documentary about the incident. But what this story did was bring Americans to the realization that our water is not perfect. Flint is not the only town affected by low drinking water quality, and some mistrust in the system is okay. Interviews with city water employees were much harder to come by because many government officials are still in pending court cases that have criminal charges. Officials knew the water was unsafe to drink. Attempts were made to rectify the situation, but it was too little, years too late. This industrial, blue-collar, primarily African-American community has suffered serious health consequences, and the children will have lower IQs than if they had access to clean drinking water. Millions of dollars are now directed to the area for pipeline replacement, water filtration systems, and bottled water is still being distributed to the residents. But the story really starts almost 200 years ago. Flint River was used as an industrial site for timber industry, paper mills, chemical processing, carriage manufacturing, then eventually a huge hub for car manufacturing. On top of all that, raw sewage was discharged back into the river for decades, as it still is in many places around the world. But now technology is available to keep these waterways cleaner. It's a matter of investment, how much of a fight the community will put up, and corporate interests in maintaining their profits. For now, Flint is going back to the less corrosive water source of Lake Huron, and the state is trying to remedy the damage.
The issues with Flint weighed heavily on our conscience and adds fuel to our quest to bring more awareness towards water quality and the source of your drinking water. Flint was a detour on our mission that day to bring Charles back to his forever home at Barnes Sanctuary. The day was filled with emotions of one extreme to the other, and witnessing the moment Charles realized his future would be in the safety and care of people who are keen on his well-being was a life-changing event. We cherished our time at Barnes Sanctuary with good friends, new and old, and will return in the future. It's time we say our goodbyes and make our way to the headwaters of the Mississippi River.